Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Hengwin Tactical Canvas Shoulder Bag. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. Alright, let's do that by, of course, ripping open the plastic packet to reveal the Hengwin Tactical Canvas Shoulder Bag. So you can see it does have a brown color to it. And just to give you some idea of the size, I'll place my hand right over the flap or bag. Okay. And just to give you some close-up detail as well as to the profile and the sides of the messenger bag or shoulder bag. So it is a compact shoulder bag or bum bag. And to give you the detail of the canvas, as you can see, the texture or weave of the shoulder bag and the stitching detail as well. So it does have a carabiner hook or carabiner at the rear of the shoulder bag and a belt loop as well. So I guess that's where the tactical reference comes from. So it's going to give you that very, very secure attachment to yourself when you're using the shoulder bag. And let's go ahead and, of course, flip open the flap. So just to show you the detail right there. So there is a magnetic catch on the flap. And looking inside the shoulder bag, there is, of course, the shoulder strap. And just checking through on the inside very quickly. And I'll reset the bag on the tabletop right there, along with its strap, just so you can see all the items together. Right. Okay, now we can, of course, now take a look at the strap itself, giving you some idea. So you can see the strap, once again, it is canvas as well, and of a much darker brown to the bag's brown. Okay, and there are two hooks or latches or catches at the bottom, of course, to secure or fasten onto the shoulder bag, which I'll do right now. So very simply latch it down and just making sure that the strap is nice and in the right orientation. And there we go. So we do have the bag and the strap all together now. And just going to set the flap down so it's nice and neat right there. There we go, the Hengwin Tactical Canvas Shoulder Bag. And of course, going to show you some detail up close as well as to the zipper, and of course the zipper tab as well. And on the inside, so there are lots of compartments, as you can see, to store your items or secure your items when you're out and about. So another zip compartment here on the inside right there. So plenty of usable spaces for small to medium sized items. And there is another pouch as well. So a few dividers, as you can see, on the inside of the shoulder bag, 2 separate compartments and with a central compartment there, and a zipper compartment right at the back of it as well. So I'm not sure how well you can see that. We're getting some light in there, so there we go. Alright, and with the depth as well, right there, nice and deep. Front, once again showing you the front compartment, and just some overall detail as well. So nice soft canvas bag here, and just getting the magnetic catch to snap on right there, and once again the front, nice and simple. And the zip, as you can see, is looks like a very heavy duty zipper right there. And just to show you the size as well, so very interestingly, there is a zipper here which allows for the shoulder bag to expand. Very, very handy indeed. So right there, just to give you an idea of the expansion or expandability of the shoulder bag. It's a nice feature to have, so that when your bag is emptied out, you can always compress it back down, just to keep the form nice and light and convenient. Okay, once again, I'm just going to show you very quickly in expanded form. Right there, and then closed up, right back down. So a very cool back. And looking at the back, there is yet another zipper compartment. So lots of compartments all around for the shoulder bag to store your items such as your mobile phone, your sunglasses, notepads, diaries, or whatnot. So that's the Hengwin Tactical Canvas Shoulder Bag. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!